Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? How are you, Miss Bola?
Very good, Miss Jojo. What are we doing today?
Brand new artist from Gully Gang.
Oh, wow. Nice.
I
Huh.
know. I saw a little snippet of a post about him on Gully
Hmm.
Gang's Instagram, and I was instantly like, my curiosity was piqued because very different sound. Suma Yoki is his name. I believe he's from Goa.
Suma
And
Yuki.
mm,
Okay. Nice name. I like.
I know Tsumyoki. Sumayoki.
Is
Yeah.
that a wordplay on like maybe his name is Yoki and Tsunami ka Yoki, like like he's gonna bring the
Mm.
music ka tsunami vesa wordplay? I don't
That's
know.
an
I'm just like
interesting thought. I don't think
or
so. But he's written here, it's a yearly tradition for me to drop a track on my birthday, which is June 2nd.
okay.
Belated happy birthday.
Happy
Um,
birthday.
which solidifies my connection with my fans, whom I fondly refer to as Yoki Mafia. To hoga no, I think it's his full name. Yoki Mafia, and this year I'm fulfilling it with Sunlight. So he's artist, lyrics, composer, music producer, all Sumayoki, mixed and mastered by Hani Taneja, label Gully Gang Records.
Interesting.
I
Like
know.
multi-talented. Very
Hmm.
nice.
Chalo,
Chalo, let's get
very,
into it.
very curious. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, play. Looks like a happy one.
I feel the sunshine every single time that you come by. Turn my life into a movie, got that run time. Loving you ain't easy, but I must try. Cause every time I feel your love, it feels like sunlight. Let me go shoot my shot, I just need one try. And I won't let the flame go, I won't let the love die. Loving you ain't easy, but I must try. Cause every time I feel your love, it feels like trying to keep it intact. Gonna be a lot of problems when I get back. Demons in my mind, I'm finally trying to get past. I'm trying not to think about it, but I'm still sad. Whoa, bottom feet is coming, getting harder. Breathe, feel like it started with a mismatch. In fact, you gon' play me like a diss track. If I kiss you, I'll probably get a hiss back. Snakes around me, they lurking. Ain't no place around me, it's personal. Hate surrounds me, they cursing. Say no grace, they found me, it's hurting more. Hate the concept of losing you, cause you make me feel like I'm perfect, though. That sucks, right? But now you're in my life, I feel the sunshine every single time that you come by. Turn my life into a movie, got that run time. Loving you ain't easy, but I must try. Cause every time I feel your love, it feels like sunlight. Let me go shoot my shot, I just need one try. And I won't let the flame go, I won't let the love die. Loving you ain't easy, but I must try. Cause every time I feel your love, it feels like never knew you're the one who started it off for me. Loving the process, everything accomplished. Got you caught in all my dreams. No, we don't gotta worry about the past. Walking down memory lane, stop and let's smell the roses. I'm crossing out every phase. Can't understand this shit. It's too complex. In my mind, I'm running for you, baby. Next minute, we don't text. You the kind that drive me to the greatness. Best believe we gon' flex. In a test, we come up flawless. Just let me run down your stress. Just put your body on my chest. Got you hooked with all of my pop shit. We booked, I pull up with my friends. You shook with all of my progress. Butterflies when I think about you, I feel so fly. And I can stay up the whole night, running songs about yours. Feel the sunshine every single time that you come by. Turn my life into a movie, got that run time. Loving you ain't easy, but I must try. Cause every time I feel your love, it feels like sunlight. Let me go shoot my shot, I just need one try. And I won't let the flame go, I won't let the love die. Loving you ain't easy, but I must try. Cause every time I feel your love, it feels like
Urvanshi S.
Wow.
Someone can sing and spit verses while doing it, right? Oh,
In the middle of the song, I got fully absorbed in listening to the way he was harmonizing and the way he was putting underlays of his own voice while yes, one side the harmony, and on the other side the way he was, the mid word, he was with every verse he was changing it in a different way. Like there was one time
Mm.
when he went super high in the entire verse, the mid word went high. Then in the second, like the verse that came after that, he just made into a like he added that one little oh god. Overall, I this is so fresh.
It's so fresh. Yeah,
Like
that's the
he's used,
that's the
right?
correct word for this. It's so it's refreshed me
Yeah.
completely. My
Beat
ears are
wise,
just happy.
yeah.
Mm.
Beat wise, music wise, the animation, video wise, just the way he's singing wise as well, and the lyricism, like, if you, and his flow. I think all of it, there are those few words which are there in every hip hop song.
Mm.
Snake, words like snake, words like hate, words like, there are few words which
Correct.
aapko pata hai कि आएंगे, कि आएंगे. It's how they are used and how they become different from other songs is what makes one song stand out. And this song is completely doing that.
I mean, there are some songs you just hear the first like 10, 20 seconds, and you're like, this is a hit, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is definitely, this is like on, this not just a hit, it's kind of like, in my mind, it's kind of like a game changer because one, he's his music sort of his background in music is very very deep, and you
Yeah.
can tell
Yeah.
instantly, like his musicality,
Yeah.
his playing around with the instruments, his composition as far as the music goes,
Yeah.
then of course his lyrical ability, and to top it off, his he's got the chops as a singer and a rapper, and carrying those high notes and low notes and playing around with the
Yeah.
playing around with his tonality throughout the song.
Yeah.
It's just, I mean, what a, like that's the kind of artist you want to hear. Someone
Yeah.
who's clearly just worked on every aspect of himself as a musician, and
Huh.
then come out with
I
something
copy
that's,
paste everything what you have said, adding to mine seriously, because
yeah.
like everything you've said, I vibe with it completely. And were you expecting this, knowing that this is a Gully Gang song?
No, not at all.
No, right?
Not
Very
at
like
all.
they are, I think, bifurcating in different zones, which is looking very, very promising and very good.
Mm.
Because I was expecting it to be something very hard hitting, something which would be very like desi and very like, and suddenly this happened. I was like, wait, what?
I know that this is his first song with Gully Gang.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it's his first song because he may have been around a while.
No. Yeah, it doesn't sound, this can't be his first song. If this
Yeah.
is first song, all of us should take Chulu Bhar Pani and just like dip our faces in it. Itna talent.
So, okay, no. Okay, I'm seeing his YouTube channel, which is where the video is posted, and there are posts from like 2 years ago. So I think he's been doing his thing on his own for a bit, and then
Yeah.
a few days
That's when Gully
ago,
Gang would have, kind of
they brought him
spotted him
on.
and said, Aja, Aja, sahi hai tu.
I love it when people, they recognize who belongs in their tribe and then welcome them,
Yeah.
even though they may be very different in their sound from the usual. It's
Yeah.
just, I like it. It just shows an appreciation for talent and art.
Yeah.
And, I love it. I love it. It's so cute. And it's a cute love song. It's like, I want someone to sit and write songs about my smile.
Are you listening out there, everyone? Jojo just said that.
No.
Just
So
go for it. Just
I
go
just
for
saying,
it.
it was so cute. Yeah, it was just such a cute song. If a guy wrote a song like this for me or like dedicated this to me, I would just be like, "Huh, chalo, okay,
Yeah,
full
very
marks."
cute. Huh.
But must say, Purvashi Shende, amazing. The video,
Superb.
the lettering, and all the graphics and everything, just too cute. The artwork is too cute. Every frame, with the little things, a little phone with a little heart.
Yeah.
I mean, can you make wallpapers out of this for our phones? I would love to download one.
The quirkiness that came out just with the artwork,
Yeah.
like how you were mentioning right now,
Yeah.
that set the mood somehow also for the
Mm.
song.
Yeah.
It went so well
perfectly.
with the song. Yeah, like it just, the whole picture became complete with it.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice. It's an A plus 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 plus.
Superb.
So yeah, looking forward to more music from Sumayoki. Can't wait. And Gully Gang, if you're listening, Sumayoki, if you're watching, keep doing what you do. And
Correct.
everyone else,
Absolutely.
check out Miss Bola's channel. It's linked in the description below. Podcasts are happening there. And chalo, nikalte hain. Drop me DMs for requests, and we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.